Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's in the kitchen. Today we're going to cook some baked steamed fish. So guys, here is the fish I'm going to cook. So guys, this is what I'm going to use into my baked steamed fish. So guys, I have some scallion right here and I have some chopped. Normally I would slice the okra, but I don't feel like slice it today guys. I just feel like chop it up big because guys, it's a full meal. You don't have to eat anything with this meal what I'm cooking. One just have it because as they can see it is an Irish potato inside of it, and it also have carrot inside of it. So we have tomato here, we have garlic and some fresh thyme and some bell pepper, cayenne pepper also coming up inside of it. So guys, we're going to use a lot of different type of spice to go into it. So guys, it's time for me to season my fish. So guys, I have a lot of different type of herb inside of it. So guys, I will put in the description what I have inside of it. So guys, I'm going to season it. So guys, now it's time to place it into what I'm going to put it into the oven. So guys, I'm going to put in my chocha, my tomato, and some carrot, my bell pepper. I'm going to open it and put in some of my bell pepper inside of it to steam. And I'm going to lay my okra also. This is a full meal. I'm going to put in my thyme, my scallion to steam on it. And I'm going to lay some Irish on top. I put in my pepper. Guys, it's a full meal. So I'm going to lay some more carrot here. Finish laying it. So guys, look on it. It look nice guys. So I'm going to slice up some butter and put on it. So I'm going to steam right down on my fish. Yeah guys. I'm going to put in some little more season up on it. You don't want this finished. Put a little touch of black pepper on it. Oh, you don't want this finished, guys. I'm going to cover it. So guys, I'm going to remove up my file paper because guys, I almost forget my pimento seed and my garlic. How can we do that? My pimento seed is a must. and my garlic. So guys, it's time for me to close it. And I'm going to bake it on 350 degrees. So guys, we're going to stay in the oven for 15 minutes. So guys, it's time for me to check. And our fish just come from into the oven. This time guys, check it and see